Breaking news in the world of sports and entertainment. Kansas City Chiefs tight end Travis Kelce adds another feather to his cap, this time as an executive producer of the dark comedy drama My Dead Friend Zoe. But here's the twist: Kelce, a three-time Super Bowl champion, misses the movie premiere at South by Southwest in Austin, Texas, to be by the side of his girlfriend, the one and only Taylor Swift, performing in Singapore on her Eras tour. Let's dive into the details. Travis Kelce, known for his prowess on the football field, has ventured into the world of film as an executive producer of My Dead Friend Zoe. The star-studded cast includes Sonequa Martin Green, Natalie Morales, Ed Harris, Morgan Freeman, Utkarsh Ambudkar, and Gloria Rubin. The film premiered at South by Southwest over the weekend, drawing attention not only for its intriguing plot but also for Kelce's unexpected role behind the scenes. While the movie showcased its dark comedy drama to audiences in Austin, Kelce found himself on the other side of the globe in Singapore, supporting his girlfriend Taylor Swift during one of her Eras tour performances. Cameras captured Kelce dressed in a suit, standing in awe as Swift took the stage. Later, he was spotted leaving the arena with her and enjoying a post-concert meal at a local restaurant. Director Kyle Houseman-Stokes expressed his surprise and gratitude for Kelce's involvement in the project, highlighting the NFL star's support for the military and veterans. The film, titled My Dead Friend Zoe, explores the complexities of friendship, family dynamics, and the intricate process of coping with grief. Despite Kelce's absence from the premiere, his impact on the project has undoubtedly elevated its profile, promising a broader audience reach. And there you have it, folks, Travis Kelce, the football star turned movie producer, juggling between the glamour of Hollywood and the excitement of Taylor Swift's world tour. We'll be keeping a close eye on the future of My Dead Friend Zoe, eagerly awaiting a distributor and a wider release date. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more intriguing updates in the realms of sports and entertainment. This is Celeb Explore Hub, signing off for now.